Hi my friends, thanks for checking back. Nice to see you back on the channel again. In this video guys, we're doing a really short video just listing two of the places. I'm going to show you two of the places I'll go to get my birds. A few of you have been asking whereabouts, where's the best place to go and get them. I'll just show you two of my places. Done little clips of film in there in both the places where I'll get my birds from. Nice to have you back on the channel as always. Guys, if you're wondering what I'm doing with this stupid hat on my head, it's to hide my light bulb hair. Guardians. As we said, super short video. Thanks for checking back as always. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, that would be cool. And subscribe if you haven't already, guys. That would be fantastically good. Anyway, catch you on the next one, guys. Take care. Bye.